get questions a lot about chickens for urban agriculture, and the number one misconception is that people think that it's really easy.
Do you have time to fit this into your daily grind, if you will?
When I lived in the Dominican Republic, we had chickens. It was a lot of fun, but it's pretty different here in the United States and what the requirements are. So I had to do research myself, even though I'm a multi-generation farmer. The basic steps for raising urban chickens. The number one thing that you need to do is research. So you have to find out what your local ordinances state are allowed for your area.
So many people get excited and they plan out these coops and they get the whole family involved.
And then they had to give up their chickens.
So really checking with your local city or county planning or zoning division. And just call them and say, hey, I'm considering backyard hens. Is that even an option for me where I live in our city or county?
Second, you would join a group online. They have tons of them that could answer a lot of your questions. Third would be to contact your local extension office. So every state has their own extension office, and they have a lot of resources, including some classes to train you how to raise chickens.
We can empower ourselves with as much information that we can get from experts, friends, or people that are already doing it to see if it will work with our lifestyle.
And then fourth would be to build a coop. So you have to research how to build a coop and how to make it safe for your chickens.
I know we all have different visitors of, potential in the air predators or raccoons or opossums, fox maybe, some coyotes.
They can definitely kill your flock. So the coop is really important. You can use reclaimed materials and be very inexpensive, but make sure the construction is durable and it's locked. Then after that, you would order your chickens. So either you order them through a pet supply store, or sometimes you can even have them mailed to you directly.
So you want to make sure that you're researching breeds, dependent on whether you live in Florida, if you live in Colorado, if you live in Maine. The temperature fluctuations can definitely affect egg production.
At the beginning, it's a big investment, but they have many years of egg laying.
You can kind of assume that you can have one egg per hen per day, and then over the course of a year, that same hen, depending on the breed and some of the other things we talked about, can lay 17 to 20 dozen eggs a year.
If you make sure that you take care of them properly and you feed them the appropriate diet, you keep them safe, that investment pays back probably within about 6 months.
And backyard hens is definitely a fun, I won't say hobby, but it could be a backyard hobby that could be very fruitful and nutritious at the same time if it works for your home.